Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. This week we're going over how do I find the model number on my GE in case I need to get parts or something for it. Well, the side-by-side GEs, and pretty much most of the GEs are going to be basically in the same place. But what you're looking for is this tag right here, okay? That tag right there, that is your model serial tag. Now you want to make sure you actually get a picture of that, okay? Because there's a couple of numbers in there that may or may not get missed, and those are called revision numbers. You want to make sure you have those when you actually go to give someone, to call someone to get a part number for it, or you look it up yourself. If you don't have the revision number there, there's a possibility you might get the wrong part. And what I mean by that is, this model may look like this for 4 or 5 years, okay? But they changed something small. They don't tell us what they change. They just change the number on the model number so we know we have a different model or version of that model. So you always want to make sure you have the model correct. So I always take a picture, that way you have it, so if someone asks and you can read exactly off of that. Now, like I said, in most all of your GEs, it's going to be on the upper left or upper right side of your fridge. Now, other manufacturers have it in little different places, but mostly all your manufacturers are going to be up on the top, hopefully somewhere where you can see. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for more wonderful information. Have a good day. Bye.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.